Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create these rose gold snowflake nails. This specific design was inspired by Julie, and I'll have her link down in the description below. It's also going to be a review on the Born Pretty Clear Jelly Stamper and their stamping plate. So if you want to see how it's done, please keep on watching. As always, you're going to want to start off with a base coat, and then I'm applying 2 coats of a rose gold polish. Next, I'm going to protect my skin by applying Edge Perfection's polish barrier around my nail. If you want to see a more in-depth review on this product, check out the links down in the description below. So this is the stamping plate that I'm going to be reviewing today, and this is the dual-ended clear white jelly stamper. The stamping plate is a rectangular metal plate that is in a really nice packaging, and it has a protective sheet over it, but I've taken that off already to try it out. It comes with 14 different full-size nail designs as well as 8 smaller designs, and I will be using the 2 small snowflakes in the corner over there. As you can see, this dual-ended stamper comes with 2 different kinds of stampers. The top one is a classic clear jelly stamper, and the second one at the bottom is a white opaque marshmallow stamper. The white stamper naturally is going to be a little bit thicker, a little squishier, and a little stickier, so you might have better luck picking up images with that one. The clear one is a little bit more firm and less sticky than the opaque marshmallow stamper at the bottom, but I really like it because I can see exactly where I'm placing the image, so this is the one that I'm going to use for the video today. And now onto the tutorial. I'm going to apply 1 drop of a white stamping polish onto the stamping plate and scrape it off using the Born Pretty card that came with my dual-ended stamper. Now you'll notice that I accidentally picked up part of the next image, so all I'm going to do is take a piece of regular tape and just pick up the part of the image that I don't want. Now this is the part where having a clear jelly stamper becomes super handy. I can see exactly where I'm going to be placing my snowflakes down, and I can position them just right so that they don't overlap too much. I'm just going to repeat the last few steps a couple of times until I'm happy with how many snowflakes are on my nail. Once I'm done, I'm going to use a pair of tweezers to easily remove the Edge Perfection polish barrier. Finally, add a fast drying top coat so that you can make sure that these snowflakes don't melt away. Overall, I'm super impressed with both the dual-ended stamper as well as the stamping plate. I don't work with stamping designs very often, so this was something new for me, and I found it was really easy to use. While there are lots of options for clear jelly stampers on the market, I think this has got to be one of the most affordable options out there. Even if you're new to stamping like I am, I think this is a great option because you get 2 different kinds of stampers, and the clear jelly stamper really helps with placing stamps in the correct position on your nail. I'm definitely looking forward to trying out some of the other designs in this stamping plate as well as the other stamper that was included in this stamping set. If you want to try this out for yourself or any other nail art supplies, be sure to check out bornprettystore.com and use my discount code MLGK31 for 10% off your purchase. I'll also have a link to all the products that I used in this nail art design linked down in the description below. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And if you recreate this design, be sure to tag me on Instagram at caramellogram so I can see.